We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with AMC stock, AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc. And before we jump into it, I've been breaking it down with you guys all these days that have passed after earnings and how it's been falling. And I stated yesterday how exciting though it was to see it at these levels if it could hold up above support, and here we are seeing it reverse. But before we break down what's going on in today's chart on the 30-minute, on the 1 day, and the 4 hour, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into it here with AMC Entertainment Holdings. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And while the S&P 500 index is struggling to stay green or portfolios are sitting sideways, I will continue to look for opportunities every single day. And if you want to get on early with us, you're more than welcome to join us. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single stock from their dips and their rips gave 5 to 8% and all the way from 8 to 15%. But the home run of the day was phenomenal. It has been a home run of the day for the last 3 days. And today it gave us another leg up. We caught this one in the pre-market, sitting sideways and dipping downwards towards the bell, and then it finally started to transition into strength, as you could see here with 42 Vision. And we also got that bow indicator from Ultimate 42 Vision, which is an upgrade that is coming very soon, and it hit a highest point of 25% plus. Guys, if this is something you want to become part of and you want to get on early with us, we strive for opportunities every single day like this. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc. And a lot of people yesterday in the comment section were talking about how this is going to fall. Others were saying that this is nothing. We've been here before. This is going to take off. And I did state very key topics between Tuesday and yesterday, how at these levels based off of 42 Vision, we could see reversals. This one was kind of weak, but it was exciting to see this on the 30-minute, and it needed to hold above the support that was happening within the after hours of $36 and even down here of $35. And it did very well at jumping right back up, because usually when we see these transitions, the next step is the upward momentum. I've stated it every single time. That is the beginning of a next bull run. Every single time we see these, there's a potential upward momentum, like right here, but it was a small one. It went from 38 to 40. Okay, that was a very small amount, but it was nearly almost 10% if you really think about it, about 5 to 8%. And from here at the lows yesterday at 36 to today's highs, that is nearly a 10% move. So every single time on 42 Vision, I've told you guys how powerful this is. These are the moments where it's exciting to be paying attention for a possible reversal. And now we have some clarity as well, as an article came out today, and that is why this is going bullish as well beyond the technicals, because the reason this was falling had to do with selling pressure. A lot of people were talking about how it's being manipulated. People are telling me no one's selling, no one's shaking out, everyone's holding. People have been in this since January, and that is a very true statement. But within this selling pressure, there are people that have been holding all year, and they're probably shaving off some of their position. It's been almost nearly 10 to 11 months that people have been sitting in their position, and they're up for the momentum, for the movement, for the ape nation, right? The hodlers, the diamond hands. But the end of the year is around, and a lot of people need some extra cash or to lock in some type of profit before the end of the year comes around. That is just my 2 cents, my insight from what I've seen in the markets before. But what really happened in these last 2 days, it wasn't really just retail, but it put pressure on retail. And I'm going to show you guys why. And this is something that was announced months ago, but it all happened right at these levels. And when you really think about it, who actually started selling shares was actually thoughtful of the shareholders and didn't really sell at the peaks. He sold at a point where he saw some weakness happening, and him selling created further weakness because he's not the only one that made that decision. As soon as people that have, big amounts of money in this, that are whales or so forth, or insiders or other directors, saw this decision, they probably followed, and then this actually shook up some of retail that has been in since way down here, anywhere around here, and trying to break even or cut some of their losses, or actually go ahead and take some profits, because there's a lot of people that, believe it or not, are trading AMC more than holding it. What I mean by that, there's just a lot of people trading options, and there's just no way for an investor to hold an option as long as it's a short-term option. You have to trade it. So it's not that people are not diamond handing, but there are a lot of traders trading the AMC options as well as holding their stock positions. That is completely understandable, but those option trades do affect what's going on in the charts. But beyond what we see here after this, we're going to look here at why it really fell, and then we're going to break down on the 30-minute, the 4-hour, and the 15-minute how AMC is looking and what Ultimate 42 Vision is showing. So AMC Entertainment Holdings was sold by the CEO Adam Aron, 25 million in stock as part of estate planning. So he basically says he's at an age that it's prudent to diversify assets for estate planning. I still have well over 2 million owned granted AMC shares. I believe in AMC. Now, he has actually announced this way before it actually happened, and he sold at about a price of $40.53, which was around this area right here when things started to fall. Now, there was someone that knew before it happened or anticipated it, or it was just the day after earnings and there was that weakness that came in, and then him selling created this downward pressure. But after this came out today, it has cleared the air for a lot of investors, especially the apes and diamond hand holders, because it started pushing back up. This wasn't a technical setup based off of 42 Vision, but after this news came out, it has made more people confident in holding or buying more AMC, or buying calls again, pushing and driving the stock upwards. And you can see how volume was explosive today, and you could just see the movement, right? It got rejected up here though at $40. It does need a breakthrough that, and then $40.90, and then way back up here at $47.24 to reach newer highs. But this momentum here is pretty strong, and on 42 Vision and Ultimate 42 Vision, we can see clearly here on the 30-minute, the weakness started after earnings. It tried pushing upwards and it didn't, and went back to bear, and we just got a bull indicator here today. And if it can hold this up and keep pushing, it's going to be very interesting moving forward. On the 15-minute, you can see things have been like that since this pre-market. It's trying to hold up. It has not sent a bear indicator just yet. And on the 4-hour, we have not seen a bull indicator yet. We are under the pressure of a bear indicator. If this shift continues and goes into dark green candles with borders that are green, and then shifts into green, just like right here, as you see right here, and we get that bull indicator, we could possibly see AMC break out back up towards $42, $41, and try to reach $47. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, how you feel about this after him selling. Do you think this actually was an overreaction and it's finally going to pick up momentum? And do you see this going back up towards 47 or possibly breaking through it? What are your thoughts? I look forward to seeing them down below. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.